students, welcome back for the chapter 1 exercise first E, and we will do the remaining questions of this exercise. The question number 14, simplify, and 15, this is also simplify. And question number 16, find the value of x. And question number 17, here we have to also not find the value of x but this expression, and 17 also have the expression and we have to calculate the value of this expression. Now question number 18, show that this thing is equal to 5. So let's start the exercise. Now simplify. Here in denominator the rationalizing factor of each other are given, so only we have to take LCM. So LCM is equal to under root 5 plus 1 and under root 5 minus 1. Now solve as you learn how to solve the fraction. Same method we will apply here. So under root 5 plus 1 will be divide this by 1 and this will be multiplied to the numerator under root 5 minus 1. So this becomes under root 5 minus 1 whole square. Now same here, under root 5 minus 1 will be cut from this factor and under root 5 plus 1 multiply by under root 5 plus 1. So you will get under root 5 plus 1 whole square. Now solve it by opening the by using the identity of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So this becomes a square means under root 5 square means 5 plus 1 square means 1 minus 2ab. So 2 root 5. Now similarly this bracket under root 5 whole square means 5 plus 1 and here plus 2 root 5 2ab upon this is a square minus b square. So under root 5 square minus 1 square. Now you will get 5 plus 1 6 and 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 6 12 and this is plus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5 will be cancelled, and here in the denominator 5 minus 1 12 upon 4 1 the 4 3 the 12, you will get 3 answer. This is the way to simplify the question based on irrational number. Now simplify, it is same as we done just question number 14. So here we have to no need to rationalize by multiplying any factor because already here the given rationalizing factor of each other. So only we have to take LCM. 4 minus root 5 and 4 plus root 5, and now 4 minus root 5 will be divided by 1 and this will be multiplied to the numerator 4 plus root 5 whole square plus 4 plus root 5 will be cancelled from each other and 4 minus root 5 will be multiplied to the numerator. So 4 minus root 5 whole square. Now open the bracket 16 a square plus root 5 square means 5 b square plus 2ab 2 for the 8 root 5. Now open this bracket, so 16 a square plus b square means 5 and minus 2ab 2 for the 8 root 5 upon now 4 square minus root 5 square a square minus b square. So 8 root 5 will be cancelled to each other. Now this becomes 4 root 5, this becomes 16 plus 5 and 16 plus 5 32 and 5 and 5 10 42 upon 4 4s are 16 minus root 5 means 5. Now subtract it. So you will get 42 upon 11. This is the answer. Now this is 16. If x is equal to 4 minus root 15, find the value of x plus 1 upon x. So we have to put the value of x in the expression. So this becomes x plus 1 upon x is equal to, x means 4 minus root 15 and plus 1 upon x means 4 minus root 15. Here this is irrational number in denominator, so first we make it rational by multiplying its rationalizing factor, which is 4 plus root 15. So this becomes 4 minus root 15 plus 1 upon 4 minus root 15 multiply by 4 plus root 15 upon 4 plus root 15. Now you will get 4 minus root 15 plus 4 plus root 15 in numerator upon, this is a square minus b square, means 4 square means 16. So I will write it like this: 4 square minus root 15 square. This becomes 4 minus root 15 plus 4 plus root 15 upon 4 4s are 16 minus root 15 square means 15. So this will be 1 in denominator. Now write down 4 minus root 15 plus 4 plus root 15 upon 1, no need to write. Now root 15 will be cancelled. You will get 4 plus 4 means 8. So answer is 8. Now come to the 17th, which is same as the question number 16. X is equal to 2 plus root 3. Find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So we have to put the value of in this expression. So this becomes x square means 2 plus root 3 square. This is the value of x. So x square plus 1 upon x square means 2 plus root 3 square. Now this is it. Open this whole square. So 2 2s are 4 plus a square plus b square means 3 plus 2ab means 2 2s are 4 root 3. 4 root 3 plus, open this denominator also, a plus b whole square means a square means 4 plus b square means under root 3 square means 3 and plus 2 2s are 4 root 3. Now write down it. 4 plus 3 means 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 root 3. Now this is a denominator in irrational number, so first we rationalize it by multiplying the rationalizing factor 7 minus 4 root 3. So you can write it 7 plus 4 root 3 plus, now 1 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 and multiply both 7 minus 4 root 3 in numerator and 7 minus 4 root 3 in denominator, because here it is plus, so you will multiply by minus sign. Now 7 plus 4 root 3, this becomes 7 minus 4 root 3 upon, this is a square minus b square. So you can write it, a square means 7 square means 49 minus 4 root 3 whole square means 4 4s are 16 and root 3 or root 3 3. So 16 3s are 48. I am writing here directly. You can write it 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. So you will get 49 minus 48 means 1. Now 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 1, and this is the same. 7 4 root 3 and 4 root 3 cancel, this is plus, this is minus, and 7 plus 7 you will get 14. The answer is 14. This is the 17th question. Now this is question number 18. Show that this is equal to 5. So first we make all the denominators which are irrational numbers to rational numbers by multiplying numerator and denominator with the rationalizing factor of the factor given in denominator. So left hand side, here 3 minus root 8. So you will multiply numerator and denominator by 3 plus root 8. So I am writing here 3 plus root 8 upon 3 minus root 8 and multiply by 3 plus root 8 minus, here root 8 minus root 7. So we will multiply by root 8 plus root 7 upon root 8 minus root 7 and root 8 plus root 7 in denominator, plus here root 7 minus root 6. So root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 minus root 6 and root 7 plus root 6. This is the third part, and minus here root 6 minus root 5. So you will multiply by root 6 plus root 5 upon root 6 minus root 5 and multiply by root 6 plus root 5. Come to the last step of this expression. So plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2. So you will multiply by root 5 plus 2. So here root 5 plus 2 in numerator, and this is root 5 minus 2 and root 5 plus 2. Only we have to rationalize the factor by multiplying numerator and denominator with the suitable factors, suitable numbers. So write down to solve it. This is 3 plus root 8, and this becomes a square minus b square means 3 square means 9, and root 8 square means 8. Now minus, now root 8 plus root 7 upon, this is a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square means root 8 square minus root 7 square. So 8 minus 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 upon, now here also easily solved. A square minus b square means 7, root 7 square means 7, and root 6 square means 6. This becomes minus root 6 plus root 5 upon root 6 square means 6 minus root 5 square means 5. And this steps also. Root 5 plus 2. Now denominator becomes root 5 square means 5, and this is 2. So 2 square means 4. Now come to the next step. So here you are watching that 9 minus 8 means 1, 8 minus 7 1, 7 minus 6 1, 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 4 1. So denominator, all the denominator becomes 1. So like write down it. 3 plus root 8. Now multiply this minus sign in both the factors. So minus root 8 minus root 7. This becomes plus root 7 plus root 6. This becomes minus root 6 and minus root 5. And this is plus root 5 plus 2. All the denominators becomes 1. No need to write. Now cut the opposite numbers of root 8 minus root 8 minus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5. You will get only 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5, and which is the which side? Right hand side. This thing is equal to right hand side. Proved. So students, this exercise has been completed, and I think all of you have understood very nicely. So please like, share and subscribe my video and give comments. Thank you.